Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. You joined me midway through this ride actually. Just going to sort out the waypoint. So me and Luke are out tearing up some really small B roads. Roads that I've always wanted to go down and never seen, so let's see what we find. Luke behind me is really frustrated because somebody picked all these roads where he's got no suspension and his bike's not built for it, and apparently that's my fault. Yeah, thank you for joining us today, guys. We're actually heading to the place we were intending to go on the last ride out we did, which is Gilk's Cafe. It's down in Kyneton Village, which is in kind of South Warwickshire, and for years it was a derelict, disused garage, and way back in the 50s, 60s it was a Hillman dealer and a petrol station, and it's in recent times been opened as a cafe, and the garage portion is actually used for a private car collection. So we're going to head down there, have a look, see what's going on, and then have a cup of tea, piece of cake, do a loop back, and then we're probably going to go via kind of Caffeine and Machine, that sort of road, head to Stratford and back up through Henley and Arden. So yeah, bit of a loop around Warwickshire. Very interesting to see some of these roads that clearly aren't used all that much. Oh, Luke's gonna be furious. Bringing him on all these muddy roads. Oh, squirmy. I'm really pleased with this route so far. It's great to be back out on the Scrambler as well. Obviously since I did the announcement, the bobber, that's pretty much all I've been riding, and I thought, I mean these are the roads I built this bike for. Do the odd dabble of green laning, but I wanted to come down and explore these and have decent suspension travel so that it was relatively comfortable. Oh, he's going to be raging. This might be a little bit extreme for his Savage. Sorry Luke, if you ever watch this, I do apologise, my friend, I do apologise. But yeah, as I was saying, these are the roads I built this bike for, so it's great to actually get out here and start using it. And to that end, I've actually, well, where are we? 1974. Yeah, today we will actually reach 2,000 miles of ownership and running of the Scrambler. So seems I've done a fairly reasonable job. I've only had a couple of little failures and moments. Yeah, so one being the big oil leak and the ignition issues, both of which, well, I had the gasket, I knew there was a slight leak. Turned out when the bike was actually running, it was more significant. The ignition issue was my fault for not connecting the map sensors up the right way around, so I can't blame the bike for that. And yeah, the only other one is the failed wheel bearing, which was also my fault for not using the correct size preload spacer in the centre of the wheel. So nothing to do with the bike, all my own issue and my own fault, but other than that, she's been pretty good. I'd say 2,000 miles in, and that's 2,000 miles on the Heidenau K60s, which I am really pleased about. They've been great. The back is starting to square off now, but I've done quite a few motorway miles, high speed straight line stuff, so you can't expect miracles from these. They're 50/50 tyres, but in terms of road grip, they're great. They're absolutely fantastic. Get onto a more main road now. Hopefully that'll cheer Luke up. Gotta hand it to him. B-roading like that on a Suzuki Savage is not an easy task. But yeah, it's the first of my lane exploring videos. Just seeing different parts of the world, seeing roads that you would never ordinarily choose to go down, so... Ah, fuck. A nice convenient little stopping place. And get the next map set up and I'll join you in a moment. So, we're now just coming down into quaint little village of Kyneton. Having got the bikes very mucky indeed. And we're, yeah, we'll head along here now. Making our way to Gilk's cafe. Get ourselves a lovely cup of tea and something to snack on. So here we are. Quite the place.